I think good opportunity for us to keep working the same way that we are working the last 3 weeks, with this kind of intensity, this kind of believing, this kind of way that we want to play now. Happy to be here in Dorsina. We need our fans, we need our people. Really, for us, I think in that moment it's important to be everyone everyone with the players, everyone with the club, everyone trying to work hard to make the opponent difficult every game, every step. And very happy for the win that we won on Sunday, for players, for the fans, and it's the moment to keep working on that.
Thank you, Coach. How would you say the atmosphere is now in the team after a big victory in Rijeka?
Always when you win is much easier, everything. Sometimes when you lose, what it looks or what it seems is different, but at the end, players, changing room, locker room, for us every day was very good. The last 3 weeks, the way that they work, the way that they do the things, the atmosphere was very good, really very good. And they deserve, and we deserve much more. So now is the moment that we break that, to keep working in the same way, in the same intensity, because at the end, we have our experience in the past that if we are not in our 100%, everyone can beat you. And if you are in 100%, you can beat everyone. So it's important to keep working.
Okay, you've had a few days since Sunday to prepare. What do you expect tomorrow on the pitch, and what do you expect from Varaždin?
The same as always. Varaždin for me is one of the best teams in counter-attack. They have a lot of physical players in front, a lot of talent. We have to be very good with the ball, with passion, try to be not in these 50-50 situations, like a punch, not make this type of game, try to control the game with the ball, then with a good pressure, because at the end, Varaždin is a team that they run very good in your back. They try to punish you in that kind of situations. Safaric is a coach that knows very good that league and is one of the best, so for sure will be tough.
Okay, thank you, Coach. Evo može sada i vaša pitanja.
One question. Sama was announced 2 days ago. He's very smiling, he's very happy, and when I asked him to describe himself, he said, "I give goals." Do you think he's ready?
He's very excited. Last training he was very excited. He needs to adapt in a lot of things. Will be talent for the future. I think he has to settle first. He has to settle. He has to be ready. The way that we want to do things, the way that is not easy for a player that is overseas. They have to adapt with a lot of things. But the most important is like from the day one he wanted to improve. It's like he demands us what to do to improve. He demands us more specific work. He demands us a lot of things. So will be good. Will be good. He will be in the squad. So depends from today. Today is the last training. But maybe yes.
Kao je li spreman?
Like Sama, or
Is he ready?
Obando is much ready than Sama. Finally, we have another striker in the squad that for us, even for the players, is very good, because at the end we had a lot of games that we demand another striker, that the game demands another in the pitch, and we couldn't make one to jump in. And he's much ready. Yes, he's much ready. He just has to show his talent, his believers, his intensity. What we saw, we are very happy. For sure, it's not easy for a player that comes from another part of the world in 3 days be ready. But what we saw, we are happy, and I think we are ready to compete.
Klasično pitanje, koji je izvan sastava?
Okay, so who is not going to be playing tomorrow? Maybe cards or yellow cards or maybe injuries?
No, Mauric is still with a little bit problems. We have to keep him out just in case. Everything is good, but just in case. He's the top guy that every day wants to work and every day wants to train. But we had to stop him because he's sometimes silly. He has to protect himself. And then Sepic is a little bit in doubt. On Monday he had injured in ankle. He turned the ankle in training, so we'll see today if he can train or not. The others all available.
Odlična utakmica u Rijeci. Sad na temelju toga gradili ste se dalje ovaj tjedan. Koja su tvoja očekivanja sutra protiv Varaždina i kako ste se zapravo pripremili?
Pa ne, sigurno je bilo, poslije utakmice bilo neko veselje, malo smo se udahnuli jer poslije koliko negativnih rezultata došla ova pobjeda i to u derbiju, tako da smo bili stvarno zadovoljni. Bilo je sigurno lakše i trenirati i živjeti sve, tako da ništa, moramo samo tako ići naprijed. Čeka nas sigurno teška utakmica kao i sve do sad, tako da moramo ove pozitivne stvari što smo radili protiv Rijeke, kao što je rekao i trener, intenzitetu, odlučnost, kao što smo pokazali, volju i želju da ne primamo. Mislim da je to volja da svi trče i da svi ne žele primiti gol, da je... Da. I to je to. I sad moramo ne gledat na statistike, na lestvicu, ništa. Samo igrati od utakmice do utakmice i probati pozitivne rezultate povući.
Evo što očekuješ sutra na domaćem terenu, navijači i što misliš da je najveća snaga zapravo u našoj ekipi sutra kako bi odnijeli pobjedu?
Pa mislim da sigurno je jedna pozitivna stvar što igramo kod kuće, to nam treba dati jednu moć, neku energiju više i da probamo odigrati što bolje i odlučiti neki pozitivan rezultat. I siguran sam da će nam pomoći i navijači.
I što očekuješ sutra recimo od protivnika na terenu? Analizirali ste sigurno Varaždin.
Da, analizirali smo, znamo šta rade, kao što je rekao trener, je to neki protinapadi, ali mi mislim da moramo samo gledati sebe, jer smo vidjeli da u ovim utakmica da je stvarno odlučilo to šta smo mi radili stvari, ne što su radili drugi. I kad smo i ove prošle 2-3 utakmice što smo izgubili, mislim da smo izgubili zbog nas, zbog naših grešaka, tako da to moramo popraviti i igrati našu igru, to je to, ne gledati druge. Ma, greške, ja znam, u nogometu će uvijek biti greške, tako da to nisu problem greške. Greška je kad je svaki put ponavljaš, tako mi stvarno smo radili na tomu da ove greške što smo imali, da smo probali popraviti ili da smo što manje radili, tako da u tome mislim da smo se popravili, to je to. Za Varaždin stvarno, ja ne znam tako, nisam ni pratio, ne znam ni igrače toliko dobro da bi mogao reći koga se baš bojim. Kao što sam, ja se više bojim možda nas, kakvi ćemo mi biti na terenu nego druge. Jer stvarno, ja mislim da smo u ovih 3 utakmice što sam ja bio, da smo stvarno pokazali da mi možemo, kad smo pravi, možemo stvarno igrati s bilo s kim. Tako da nisu problem druge ekipe. Ali znamo da su druge ekipe isto dobre, imaju svoje stvari i pripremamo se za njih kao za sve.
Kako ti se sviđa u Istri?
U Istri mi je super. Super, sve je kako treba biti, baš sam sretan da sam došao tu.